In a true 2017 YouTube fashion, I used to love watching packing videos or packing vlogs or just traveling vlogs. So here's everything that goes into my skincare, hair care pack, as I'm gonna be gone for 3 days in Spain. Hot weather by the sea, so humid, and just in general struggling after global warming tried to boil UK alive, which was fun. So here goes. I'm gonna go through everything. This is a small pack. Alright, starting with the Laneige Hydration Trio. Definitely packing with these cleanser, mist and a moisturizer. Love these minis. Perfect pack. In extra mist, skin 1004, hyaluronic acid and Cica. Brilliant. In toothpaste, because obviously I've got a little mini of a Glow Recipe watermelon mist. Definitely taking that with me. I love whenever I get testers or like minis with my makeup shops that are actually useful and I can pack them with me. The best thing. Grabbing a bit more of calming Centella serum, Arborian. I've been using this one for about a month now. I'm not sure how I feel about it. I think it's helping, but it might be placebo. Got this in a makeup haul or a beauty haul. Augustinus Bader. Not buying from them. Super expensive, and I don't even want to go there to try if it's worth it. I'm sure someone thinks it is. I am not that tax bracket. Ultraviolet, never tried them. I heard of them from James Welsh. It's probably not how the brand wants to be represented if James Welsh is dissing them, but here we go. Oh, SPF, both are 50 plus. Speaking of SPF 50 plus, got this one. I love Vichy SPFs. This one is with hyaluronic acid to keep it hydrated. They have a different one which I don't have anywhere near me. I've got it too, which helps with like a glowy skin. It has like an oily glow to your skin. This one is meant to help with hydration. They also come in SPF 30. I prefer the 50. My regular sunscreen for my face. The Beauty of Joseon. I love this one. I have been again using it for about a month. Very lightweight, gentle to my skin. Been really enjoying this one. I am contemplating bringing the Salt Air Glowy body oil. It's gonna be sitting heavy. I'm not sure whether you're meant to decant that into a smaller one. I might give it a test, but I love this one and I love glitter, and I think having it by the sea is the perfect opportunity. So this might need a little bit of creative Linda. Moisturizing body creams. Pretty certain this was a hotel sample, like a hotel whatever, and I got this one. This one was a gift with I love Estura. I love that it comes, it's probably a mini, not like a sample. I'm definitely excited to use this. Alright, always travel with Après Soleil, like a after sun tanning lotion, just cooling, calming cream, usually with aloe vera. As I said, I love when I get any type of a mini, any type of a sample. I always have it with me in the bag. It is the easiest way how to have a nice moisturizer on you for when you need like a little bit of extra help or whenever I forget anything. So I always try to have moisturizers in my makeup bag. They just stay there and I keep using them as I travel. Single use mask. Love traveling with these, especially if I'm going to a hot place. It's really worth it. I know it might be an overkill, but it is really helpful to have something on me after a plane ride, after a taxi, a bus ride or whatever, after being locked up in an air-conditioned room all day in meetings or something like that. Is genuinely absolutely worth it. So 5-in-1 styling cream. Recently got this one. Been using it for way too short to actually comment on it, but I think it has a lovely texture and it has been keeping my hair pretty healthy looking. So yeah, need a bit more time. Again, love a mini. And it is not just a styling cream, it has heat protection, which I use heat on the road because it helps my hair to look less aggressive. Speaking of hair looking less aggressive, got this one very recently, not used it yet. Dry shampoo. Surprisingly, the other JVN products, really lovely. Still doesn't change my opinion about JVN. And I've got a Got2b, yeah, blast from the past, I know, Got2b, I still use them. A styling wax just for like these crazy flyaways. Look at this Lost Serum coming with me. I've been talking loads about this one in my previous videos. Love the face oil, love the scent. Absolutely coming with. Another blast from the past, got to be glued. What can I say? I'm a die-hard millennial. Two things that I've got recently. Color Wow Money Mist. It's a leave-in hair conditioner, like a leave-in hairspray. Stunning. I've been so impressed by this one. It is really, really lovely. Davines hair butter. You can use it as a conditioner or you can use it like pre-wash. You damp your hair, put it in, wait a little bit, wash it off, and then you do your shampoo and conditioner to sort of help moisturize it. My hair, I've been really trying to figure out my hair recently. This is part of it. So far, it's been really nice. One of my favorite things is this double layered waterproof eye makeup remover. Love this one. I have a small one for travels. I have a large one in my bathroom for daily use. Really, one of my favorites, probably my favorite for eye makeup removal. Deodorant, I use the one by Vichy. A couple of things that I like to travel with but might not be massively useful to everyone. I travel with an ear-all aftercare spray. I struggle with psoriasis, especially in my ear canals. I've been also told that by an ear doctor that my ear canals are very, very tiny, therefore they need a little bit of help to clean easily. Helps me a ton. Hand sanitizer and an after bite cream. And because I wear heels a lot, not for travel particularly, but when I am there for work, etc. Two things that I've always have on me. These are extra cushions. I've got loads in like my actual shoes and I just keep them there, but I do keep one extra just in case I need them. Therefore your ball of foot right there. Life-saving. They don't fix the problem completely, but they do eliminate the pain significantly. And last bit, Vaseline. I love me some Louboutins. I've learned that keeping my toes and my heel moisturized with Vaseline is a lot better than putting any protective plasters in. It just removes the friction, therefore walking in heels gets a lot easier. And something I've recently picked up, and this is the last thing, cleansing wipes. They're biodegradable. They're from Boots, biodegradable. They're from Boots, biodegradable. I love traveling with these just to help cleanse my face when I'm on a plane on a long haul, and then I do love to have them just in case I forget my makeup remover or I'm not wearing like a heavy layer of makeup and I just need help cleansing face because I forgot my cleanser or something like that. It's not ideal, but it's for the travel part. It is the most convenient thing that I've ever adopted for that part of travels, but it is not a substitution for a cleanser. If I forget a cleanser, I will normally go and buy one. So that is the skin and hair care part. Alright, here goes makeup, starting strong with keeping my hair away from my face. Always useful. I want to take these two powders, the matcha milk and the lavender. I'll just decant into, I've got the old Fenty Beauty, the tiny one, the travel one that I had from the translucent. I'll just put some in that. That should be fine. I don't know how I'm gonna decant this one. I might just end up taking the whole thing. So this is coming as is. This is gonna go into a smaller bag. I do not travel with boxes, it's new. Laura Mercier Tinted Blur 01, bought specifically for these type of occasions when I go on a short trip and don't want to carry entire foundation. Hope this works well for me. MUA Green Corrector and Brightening Primer. Love these. Definitely coming with. Trusted Boots Eye Primer. I've just gotten used to this thing and it might be worth it. I don't know. Love the Maybelline erasers. I think these are excellent. And that's it. My favorite mascara is the Rare Beauty. I buy the small one. I love it. Genuinely my favorite. MUA bronzer. I love cream bronzer. Clear and a tinted brow gel. An absolute must. Brow pencil. All MUA. And a very, very light concealer. Again, MUA. MUA got me covered. If you have access to it and haven't tried it, do that. In terms of eyeshadow, normally, again, for a longer trip, I would bring some sort of a palette. I have like a bunch of the small Natasha Denona ones or Fenty Beauty. But for the short trip, I am doing a combination that I love. It's liquid eyeshadows. They're glimmery, I love them. They come in all sorts of colors, so I travel with these. I'm grabbing the bronze one and a pink one. Nude and a golden eyeliner. This is Revolution and this is Boots' number 17. All three of the Victoria Beckham eyeliners that I got that one time. I mean, they work just fine. For like a smoky eye, if you don't mind, they work just fine. Got a new eyeliner, BBIA. It's black despite the very blue case. It's a nice eyeliner, and it's smaller than the Rare Beauty that I love, so travel friendly. Red and pink lip liners. No idea where I got this one. Boots, and then NYX. NYX lip products are really great. Blast from the Past. Max Factor pink lipstick. My favorite lipstick of all times is the Prada Pinky Red. Get a bunch, you can remove them, and the case is magnetic. I know. And a Paco Rabanne glittery lip balm. It's gorgeous. I don't know if you can tell. I love this thing. It's pink and glimmery. I've got a Natasha Denona tinted lip mask. Not sure what that does, but I like it. Fui lip balm, like a blurring pot. Probably my best purchase of this year. Again, comes in all sorts of colors. You can get it in Boots now, so that's great. My Ole Henriksen Problem. This is the newest edition, blood orange spritz. My Ole Henriksen Problem is coming with blushes. Love the Rare Beauty purple one, and I got this tiny red one. Try it and to travel with it. I do have the married ones, but I would take that on a longer trip. My recent purchase, the gorgeous House Labs Fire Opal highlighter. Absolutely stunning. That's it. That seems like very little. Alright, coming with. And last but not least, I always have a pouch that only gets like replenished with the same thing, so let's go through it. Tissues, always useful. Makeup remover pads, these are the larger ones. Chewing gum, a bunch of different size tampons. You never know when you need them, you never know when a friend needs them. They always come handy to you or a friend, and it's one of the things that you don't want to be shopping for when you really need them. Same goes for plasters or band-aid. Pads, because not everyone likes tampons. I also use dailies. Migraine pills, which is, I also travel with paracetamol. Inner dental picks. Earplugs. I don't like earplugs, but you never know if someone could use them. Hemogel and Zovirax. Hemogel is for any type of, to help heal your wounds, like scratches or anything. And Zovirax is for mouth sores. Tide pen or instant stain remover. Always useful. As a lens wearer, I always travel with a case, with eye drops, and a set of lenses just in case something happens. I also travel with my glasses, especially on a long haul flight, so that I have everything covered just in case something happens. And that's it, and that's my pouch that has the things that I cannot or don't want to be looking for at the moment when I need them. And there you have it. We're doing the thing. Alright, got all things packed. These will go in my carry-on, so those will go in a backpack. I checked this one in. So clothes, my neon swimsuit, undies, added shoes, all my skincare. I've got my Merit perfume, my Acqua di Parma. I ended up decanting the Saltaire Glimmery Oil. Have my, over there, that's my hair straightener, iron, and yeah, it's all in my carry-on luggage. Oh, I always add slippers. On a long haul, I like to wear them on a plane, and then sometimes they don't have them in a hotel room, and I just enjoy it. So yeah, there you have it. We are good to go. This is completely silly, but I also travel with a variety of teas, black, chamomile, mint, and all sorts of whatnot. Protein bars and some like oat bars. Yeah, just in case. Alright, that's my carry-on backpack sort of thing. It's all hopefully full. Laptop goes there in the morning, iPad goes there in the morning, a book goes there in the morning, toothbrush goes there in the morning, and off we go.